This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Pam Ehrman. Open house Saturday, May 7th, 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock. Your buyers will be wanting to call this beautifully updated condo home with its fresh paint and new LVP flooring throughout. Large eat-in kitchen with built-in breakfast bar. Newer stainless appliances. The living room opens up to a covered patio with a storage area. The HVAC is less than 6 years old. Water heater is 3 years old. Condo fee covers grounds maintenance, landscaping, trash pickup and master insurance policy. HOA provides pools, tennis courts, pickleball, playgrounds and clubhouses. This condo is convenient to bases, Tidewater Community College, I-64, beaches, restaurants, shopping, entertainment, and recreation. For more information, review the details below.